There's no more sound. Hello Pajeros, hope you guys are doing good and well. Here is today my steering wheel makes sound even it is low speed, high speed, when it's turn right and the left. I believe this sound is common issue for all cars, but you will feel more the sound is coming from this side, but not, it's come from the base, from the bottom, from the steering wheel column. Why it happened? It's mostly the lack of lubricants or dust. It's stuck over there in the column. We can fix it easily for yourself even. No need to go for garage. If you have a WD-40 or the grease, you can apply over there, then you can try it. But if it is keep coming, maybe having issue with your steering wheel column, so what you have to do, you have to go into your mechanic and check might bearing or problems. It's a rubber steering. You have to double check first. You do it yourself like what I do. Let's see. Here is your steering wheel column. Hope you can see clear. Close more. Alright, this is the column, and you can see a lot of dust. I got it here. First I have to clean up, and let's apply WD-40, then silicone lubricant. I think still the bearing and the rubber is flying over here. You can see, yeah. Here is my WD-40 and the silicone, so I'm gonna spray now. Now I am applying a little bit silicone. It's a synthetic one, similar to the grease. It's look like gel, but it's work well. This is the one I use it for the poly bush. When I'm pressing to my lower arm, upper arm, I apply the same. Okay. Now let's see. Still the sound is there. Okay. Okay, problem is solved. Now there's no more sound. One more advice: after you did this the same scenario but still the sound is remaining, please visit your mechanic and do the necessary work for that. Might your bearing, steering wheel column bearing get tears or having issues. So now my problem is solved. This is how it is fixed once the sound is comes. Cheers guys, thank you for watching.